here at Truck Access Plus with an 06 to 15 Honda Ridgeline, getting an Overland build, iKamper rooftop tent, Yakima OverHaul HD rack, ready for adventures and camping. This is a custom truck bed build with the track system here on the side that allows you to put rack accessories like this. This has the Yakima OverHaul HD installed. Now we're going to clamp on the rooftop tent. This is the full-size Rocky Black SkyCamp 3.0, transforming this pickup truck. This one sleeps 4 to 5 people. You can put accessories on the side now, and then we're just mounting it with these brackets. I'll show you when it's ready.